Well, Dad's making some progress. Quick update. He has the back suspension practically finished. He spent a lot of time getting the pinion angle set and these arms adjusted. But as the coils, he's waiting on some replacement factory bump stops to bridge the gap. But the spacers, track bar, mount, track bar loosely attached here. And just gotta switch one of these bolts around on the other side so they're all facing the correct direction. Super beefy arms. Everything looks so clean. The sway bar end links, perfect. Really, really exciting. And the shock mounts also to bring the shock body away from the coil bucket when it's decompressing. So that's pretty exciting as well. I'm gonna take this diff cover and probably end up wire brushing or sanding it and spray painting it black. And so the last thing we just have to do, well, Dad has to do since he's the one doing the work on this, is the other upper shock mount on the other side. The bolt broke off. It was rusted up in the upper shock mount. Bolt broke off. He tried to extract it with an extractor and the extractor broke off. So he's figuring out a way to drill that out, which we've heard is very, very difficult to do. Oh yeah, I see up there now. So he's gonna figure out how to get this out, get new upper mount in, and then be able to install the shocks and be done with this. The brake lines ended up being all perfect length. There's no need to extend any of these lines back here, so that is encouraging. Can't wait to see how it rides, how everything performs with the new fresh kit installed. Had to remove the muffler. It had different exhaust leaks and some rusted spots in it, and it was also banging on the frame. So we'll get the exhaust sorted, everything realigned, get these Bilsteins installed, get all these old parts removed, and then have to see what the ride height ends up being. If he will be able to keep the 33s, or will he have to step up to 35s to get the proportions right? We're not really sure yet. And the next stage is getting the front installed, everything else broken down, refreshed, put back together, the new steering, coil shocks and all the control arms and such, track bar, and he will be in a really good spot. Really excited for Dad. The Jeep is really coming together well, and he's doing some incredible quick work on it. It looks so clean. The new bumpers look like they just go with the Jeep so well, and saved a lot of weight on the front too compared to the other setup that was on here. So that's it for now. Get to the next stage. Looking forward to giving you all an update on the front end, and then getting to set it down, cycle the suspension, and see where we're at. Hope you all have a good day. Take care.